Thank you.
If you want that outside in there.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we might. Shall we bring it out, darling?
I got some from before, afterwards. The stains are kind of permanent. You might get them off with a little bit of pink stuff if you've used that before.
Yeah.
Pretty good stuff, that is. It's definitely nice and shiny in here.
It's definitely nice and shiny, yes.
I would say get the conservatory done every 2 to 3 years, and it's not going to fix problems with silicone.
Right. Okay.
It will kill it, but any spores that are in silicone will help it regrow.
Right.
What I find with silicone is you can dull it, but it takes a good 6 months of continuous. It's a nice blue day. It's good marketing material to show other customers what we do.
Okie dokie.
It can be quite daunting. I've got photos and videos of the outside.
It's worth asking, isn't it?
Yeah, but on our perspective, it's a case of getting asked 50 times a day.
No, I see. Oh,
Yeah, and a lot of people are quite impulsive, to say the least. They want the window clean that day for £10. So would you be interested in a regular window clean on this property?
Yes, it depends on how far you've got to come.